So one thing I love about having a home gym is that you can wear whatever you like, and what I like is to be barefoot in my home gym because I find that you have so much more feeling with the ground if you're squatting or deadlifting, and just being barefoot, there's something about this. Now the only problem starts during the winter months because then your feet are getting cold and that really sucks. Now luckily they invented socks so that you can wear them against the sock, but yeah, with this gym flooring here, which is very awesome, very strong, they just eat away at my socks and I just really don't like that. And that's why I bought the Skinners. So they're basically a hybrid between a sock and a shoe, but they really feel like you're walking barefoot, which is super amazing. So I bought the Skinners 2.0 and today we're going to review this product. Now before, my go-to lifting shoe was the All-Star from Converse, and I've worn these for a long time. The main reason that I don't like them anymore is the very narrow toe box, which now that my feet are getting wider because I'm more barefoot, is getting a problem. And also you have less feeling with the floor because your feet are just confined in these things here. So that's why I opted not to wear them anymore. I changed them for this here, the Skinner 2.0. Now, what's different between the Skinner 2.0 and the Skinner 1.0? Basically, this one has a wider toe box, which is awesome for me, and it has a sole in there, like it makes the sole a little bit thicker. I threw that out because I don't really think it's very useful. This is a Skinner 2.0. Basically, it's a sock with a rubber texture on it, like a really thick rubber, so it's even made to go outdoors. The awesome thing is they don't smell because you need to wear socks in them, and they're really comfortable and warm. What's also nice when doing lifts is that they have a very good grip on the floor, and they still give a good articulation of your feet, so your feet are not just really confined in these socks. As it comes to pricing, the pricing for this is around 54 euros, which means they're very expensive as socks, but they are on the cheaper side as it comes to shoes. I think as it comes to durability, they will have about the same lifespan as shoes would have. These I have already a half year, and they only show a little bit of wear here where my foot is touching the floor. Other than that, functionally they're still the same. What's also very nice about them is that they're washable. You can just throw them into your washing machine. I really recommend you put them in another bag where they won't scratch up the surface of your other clothes. Also, as it comes to protecting yourself from falling weights, they're probably not going to be the best ones out there, but I don't think my toes will survive any drop of a weight on them if I'm wearing Converses as well. But besides that, they're a very awesome thing to wear in the gym. You can even wear them in a commercial gym. Nobody will look at you weird because you're already a weirdo. But in the home gym, it's just absolutely awesome. Even when I have to walk outdoors, I have some grint that's laying around. That's no factor. Obviously, you're not strengthening your feet with that. But if you're going barefoot, it's a little bit painful. If you use that, it's like a walk in the park. So that's very awesome. And that's why I can't recommend Skinners 2.0 enough to you guys. So let me know in the comments down below what you think are the best lifting shoes. Do you prefer barefoot or do you prefer wearing like shoes or actual lifting shoes? Let me know in the comments down below. I really prefer to go barefoot as much as possible, and if it's too cold, I'll get my Skinners out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace!